What's up everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tatiana, but you can call me Tati. And in today's video, as you can tell by the title, this is the demolition process of the house. There will be some rebuilding in this video as well, but for the most part, this is just gonna be a video of us tearing everything down and starting to put everything back up. I have been gone for a month, but that's because it's the end of a semester and school is tiring, exhausting. So I had to focus. So that's why I haven't been uploading, but I'm done. So more uploads will be happening about the house. So make sure you guys subscribe, like the videos, and comment, and I won't hold you any longer, and we'll just get right into it. As you can see here, the first place I started was the kitchen because it was filthy. I'm just, spraying some cleaner on the cabinets, on the floors. I really had to let it sit on the floors because there was a bunch of gunk on the floors, and basically wipe down all the countertops and everything, just for me to realize here soon that they're going to be demolishing everything, knocking all these walls down, and there's going to be dust everywhere. So I basically did this process for nothing. So I just cut this part short and I didn't put too much of it in there.
This wall's coming down slowly but surely, y'all.
Here's one last walkthrough of the house before everything is taken down or fixed up. As you can see, there's a lot of people there helping us. None of this would be possible without our families. But yes, this is the rooms before anything happens to them. And yeah. So the main thing we wanted to get done first was knocking the majority of the walls down, and we wanted to really start on the living room, which will soon entail knocking down walls on the kitchen as well. Oh yeah. As you can see here, my boyfriend's working on wall number 2. Just taking the drywall down and taking it out to the dump because that wall will be gone. Here you'll see we're finally making a breakthrough on wall number 1, the main wall. I do have another view of this, but the video is not functioning correctly, so this is the only part that you all can see, but you get the point. As you'll see throughout the video, a lot of people are doing a lot of different things. We had people shampooing carpets, wiping walls, and trim because the trim in the walls were disgusting, patching holes. We had all little stuff going around, but here's more demolition. I just want you all to know this flooring right here was the hardest thing to get up. So shout out to my stepdad because he was the only one willing to do it because we hated it. I'm pretty sure it's called like Luan or something, but never again. Day 1 was completed and we ended up getting a lot accomplished that day. A lot of people had left already, but we spent a lot of time there still knocking down the walls, and as you can see, the wall to the entryway is gone and there is now a temporary support beam up to hold the weight of the ceiling. The rooms didn't change much at this point, but I just wanted to show you all what the progress. They were shampooed. Yeah.
here I just wanted to show you all the carpets are finally up. And just a heads up throughout the video, you know, when you're renovating houses and you're doing all of this, it's really hard to just want to have your camera up because you get really busy and you want to get things done. So a lot of the videos I have are kind of all over the place, but it's a little progress here and there. This here is the new beam that we're currently trying to get up, but it is much heavier than it looks, and when you have exact measurements, it's really hard, really hard to get it up there. So we used a bit of teamwork and got it up there, and here soon you'll see what the finished product looks like. Day 3 was kind of a light day. As you can see, we only did drywalling and cutting in on like the ceilings. I didn't get that on video, but we did repaint all the ceilings white because they were this dingy, dusty color. And yeah, as you can see, there's patching on the wall done, and we closed off the one hallway to make it a pantry. So later on in the video you'll see what that looks like on the inside, but we're making progress. And she's just prepping the ceilings because the kitchen still needs to be painted. So we were lucky that my boyfriend's dad, he has his own construction roofing business. So if you're in the West Virginia area and you need some reconstruction or some roofing done, get a hold of Appalachian Roofing and Renovation. I think that's what it's called. I'll check back in and let you know. But yes, most definitely, this made the process a lot easier, having someone with knowledge helping us out. And here is the inside of the pantry. Still needs work, but we definitely closed it off. This is the next day after I came home because I was in Morgantown for school, but now I'm back and he's taking out the fence now. He's taking out the fence. This is the house from behind. He's taking out the fence and he's just trying to teach me how to drive a standard, but he has shitty directions. How you gonna tell me punch the brake? But he said, apparently he said clutch brake, so I just pushed the brake and then we stalled. And cause he don't give the right directions. And then the bad part about it, the bad part about it, look at him just standing there looking like is he want to give me directions right when I need it. Like, you know, I'm new to standards. You can't just say clutch brake. You need to say, babe, here soon you're gonna clutch brake it. But no, he gonna say clutch brake, and then I'm gonna just freeze up and stall a damn thing.
That's not how it went.
That's how it went.
Clutch brake.
Right at the time I needed clutch brake, right?
Exactly. I ain't gonna tell you clutch brake 10 feet away.
You can say, babe, you need a clutch brake here soon. Anyways, that's how that went. And now I'm just gonna watch him roll his fence up because that's what I do best. But if we was in the inside of the house, I'd be doing a lot more. Huh?
Hey everyone, thank you for watching the video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. Like I said, the next video will be more painting, and then the video after that will finally be the house tour. I hope I get this up in enough time for you all to see. And also, I reached 200 subscribers, so therefore the next video I'm going to be doing my $50 giveaway, so stay tuned for that, for another $50. The person from my first giveaway still hasn't claimed it, so if you're watching this, make sure you go back and watch my video. I'll tag it up here to make sure you claim your $50. But like I said, another giveaway is coming up soon because I reached 200, and then there will be another giveaway at 300 subscribers. So make sure you all comment and subscribe. When you subscribe, comment your name down below so I can know, because a lot of people's name don't pop up when they subscribe to my channel. So yeah, thank you all for watching again. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and toodles.